Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to create your own custom emojis on iOS 18. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to choose your emoji. Like you can use any photo from your library or download one from the internet. Like let me choose any pic from my library. Okay, let me choose one. Okay, this one. And now let's move forward to the next option, which is you have to open the emoji keyboard. To do it, you have to open messages or any app where you can type. Like I am opening notes on my iPhone, and then I have to tap the emoji icon on my keyboard like this, and you have to type your custom emoji or swipe to sticker section and select open stickers, and then you have to swipe to the sticker section and select open stickers. Okay, then you have to tap new sticker and select the image you want to use. Like your iPhone will automatically detect the main subject and turn it into a sticker. Tap add to save as an emoji. Like, and if you want to make your custom emoji, you have to type a simple prompt here like anything, and it will show a simple emoji icon here, and tap onto that emoji. As you can see, mine is not showing because I have not updated to the latest version of iOS. Like let me show you. You have to go to settings, general, then as you can see, mine is not updated to the latest version of iOS. So you have to update it first, then it will show a custom emoji option here like this, and that's it. And you follow the steps I showed you, and you can make your custom emojis, and that's it, a fun new feature in iOS 18. If this video is helpful, like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next video.